Hey, what's up guys? It's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my first headband wig ever, which is super popular right now. All I see on my Instagram and YouTube feed is headband wig, straight, curly, kinky curly, all that. So today I'm going to be showing you guys mine, where I got it from, the type of hair it is, and the application process, which is super easy. This is my first headband wig ever, but I was able to install it like a pro. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so I did purchase this wig off of Amazon, but the vendor is Beauty Forever. The prices do differ between the one on the Beauty Forever site and the one on Amazon, but I was willing to pay a little bit more on Amazon Prime to get it in 2 days, but I'll put the prices on the screen for reference. In the box, it gives you a wig cap, which I'm not going to use just because I don't really like wig caps, but you can. And also 2 headbands. I don't really like these 2 either, so I'm going to use this leopard one that I ordered that came in a pack of 16. We're going to wear this because I'm wearing black today. Alright, so getting into the details of the wig. So it is a headband wig, otherwise I think known as half wig, but it's a water wave texture, natural color, and it is 20 inches at 200% density. Opening it up on the inside, it has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And then also what I found really cool is that they also have the adjustable straps that you can, I think, clasp together at the back. I don't like those, but it's nice to have if your head does not fit into the wig. You can adjust it to fit your head size. And then of course you have the Velcro straps that you're going to secure the wig at the back with. So to refresh my ponytail and edges, I'm going to be using the Urban Hydration Honey Hydrate Hold and Style Mousse, as well as the Style Factor Edge Boost in the Cool Shine, and the hold power on this gel is 4. This has become my favorite edge control because stuff be frozen, okay? So first, applying the Urban Hydration Mousse just all over my hair. It is already molded into a ponytail, but I just like everything to lay slick and flat as possible. So after applying the mousse, I'm just going to be brushing that down and putting my hair back into the ponytail. So I'm going to be 2-strand twisting my ponytail just so I can pin it up to leave room for me to secure the Velcro straps in the back. What's cool about this wig is that it does not require you to have a braid down. Actually, it's best if you don't have a braid down because you want to have the illusion that your hair is just pushed back with a headband. So this is how I'm securing my hair for the wig. Okay, so the most important part here is edges. I'm definitely not an edges guru, but I'm just starting with combing them out. They are already kind of molded how I like them, but I'm just gonna refresh them here. So what I've started doing is using the mousse, add it directly to my edge brush and just bringing them back, swooping them how I kind of want them to lay, but this is just gonna prep them for when I add the edge booster. So the Style Mousse does do a good job of forming your edges and setting them, but in order to get that firm hold and some shine, I'm going to be adding this Edge Booster Edge Gel. So I'm working with one side at a time, and what I've been doing lately is just doing 2 simple swoops. I don't have it together yet, guys, so I'm trying to stay as simple as possible so my edges look okay. So as you can see, they're starting to form. You can see the shine, and once I tie them down, they're not going to go anywhere. So now I'm just going to be doing the other side and I'm going to be tying them down. So I would like to do some nice swoopy stuff for the front of my hair, but I don't understand that quite yet. So I'm just taking some edge booster and brushing that part back, tying it down with my Impressions of Beauty scarf, and I'm gonna let that set and go get dressed, take care of some other things, and I'll come back. Alrighty guys, so my edges are nice and firm, not going anywhere. However, I do wish I had put this headband around my neck before I had my edges set, but they didn't budge, so I was okay. But I do suggest putting that headband around your neck before you get started with your edges. But now it is time to install the wig. So as I said earlier, there are 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. I personally think it's easiest to start with the front combs. I'm going to be leading with the one in the middle. So after I insert the middle comb, I'm going to be following that by inserting those combs on the sides, then reaching around my head, finding the back comb, and sticking that right underneath my twist, my ponytail. So after the flip up, this part can get a little tricky. I've seen some girls put the hair in a low or high ponytail before doing this, but flipping the hair to one side usually does the trick for me, just to secure these Velcro straps, and then you're basically done. But what I'm gonna do here is, since I have a rather skinny headband rather than a wide one, I'm gonna fold this headband on top of itself, basically folding it in half. So when I put this headband on, you can't see any of the black strap. After I adjust it, you'll see that it's basically invisible. So this is the finished look. As you guys can see, I'm able to flip it to one side or the other for the illusion, I guess, of a side part. You can also style it in a low or high ponytail or bun. The only thing with the high ponytails and high buns is that you need to have the type of headband that is wide enough to camouflage the Velcro in the back. This headband is kind of skinny in the back, so I won't be doing that, but you do have that option. Also, the hair is super soft, really beautiful curl pattern, and it reacts well to water as well as products. So I actually styled this hair with the Urban Hydration Honey Hydrate Hold and Shine Style Mousse, and it reacted really well to that. So really 10 out of 10 lazy girl wig for me. I'm also working from home, so Zoom meetings are about to be lit. But if you guys are looking to try a headband wig, I was skeptical at first too, but definitely give Beauty Forever hair a try. Their stuff is on Amazon as well. But yes, definitely look into their wigs. It's secure, not going anywhere, and I really, really love it. I also have to do a quick shout out to my loyal Ride or Die subscribers. Thank you to all of my subscribers who have been reaching out to me asking me when the new video is coming up, whether that's through DMs or in the comments. I mean, I see all you guys' comments. I don't always get to respond to all of them, but yes, I have been gone for months and months and months and months. It is the new year. We're in 2021. I am going to do better. I need to do better because I really do love YouTube and I love making content for you guys. So definitely give me a like and a comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't, if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to keep up with me in day-to-day life, I'm also on Instagram at _JayByDay _ JayByDay. That's me. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.